The operational plan that we have in place to move our Chick-fil-A franchise into Toronto, Canada includes beginning by acquiring licenses and property. The first step for establishing this new restaurant in Toronto is to incorporate and trademark in the country. Much like the United States, the Canadian government does regulate private enterprises, and to grow the small business, we'll need to look for business analysis and guidance in that country. We'll need assistance with registration, permits, licenses, regulatory requirements, and also referrals for business services support. We'll also need to find and hire a franchise owner operator. Chick-fil-A does have a long process for vetting and selecting that type of a person, so we'll need to begin that process pretty quickly. Chick-fil-A does have high standards, and as an S Corp, it does have the ability to be extremely selective. Next step, after finding the owner-operator, we'll need to purchase or lease a property. Purchasing property is discussed further in the financial plan on the next page of our wiki. I will need to then look for and hire qualified individuals. Hiring qualified individuals is always challenging because Chick-fil-A does have some requirements where the employees must be devoted to Christianity and must be trained pretty well. It is necessary to ensure that the store is adequately staffed for opening day. Therefore, it's important to time the hiring process towards the end of the operational plan. We'll then need to train all of our new hires in an effort to maintain the quality that Chick-fil-A customers do expect. Then we'll need to build and maintain inventory. Inventory will need to be shipped from approved Chick-fil-A product suppliers across the Canadian border and legally imported. Trade agreements need to be set up to facilitate Chick-fil-A's supply chain. There are many commercial regulations in Canada where we'll have to vet and plan for the inspection process for all of our trucks that have to cross the border. To that end, that pretty much summarizes our operational plan. The next page of this wiki is going to go over the financial plan.